Welcome to my home tour video. Someone requested that I do a home tour so she can get an idea of how she will build her own house. So let's go in. Here's our kitty cat. This is the foyer. I don't know how to pronounce this one. So my achi bought this round mirror and this, what do you call this? I forgot. Anyways, I'll just put the name of this. It's a stand. This is customized. Some of those are souvenirs from our travel. And the chandelier, we bought it in Abu Dhabi. Yes. And this is the main living room. We wanted it a glass house so that we can see outside. And we just really wanted the design to be very flowing so that you can, when you're in the living room, you can see the kitchen and the prayer room or the stairs. So this is the prayer room. And this is the dining. We wanted a lanai, so we had this sliding door so that we can access the, and we're going to have a huge party, so at least we can use the lanai to accommodate all of this. And then we have this is like a bar or breakfast nook. I know this is not like 100% fully furnished, so I might do a part 2 of home tour, and I might not be able also to let you into other rooms because of reasons. So yes, this is the kitchen. This is a functioning kitchen, but still it's not fully furnished. We still need to put cabinets. This is the pantry. Not gonna open it. And we also have a dirty kitchen at the back, just like normal Filipino household. We couldn't live without a dirty kitchen, so yes, anyways, that's there. And then we're going to the rooms. On the ground floor, we have 3 bedrooms. So we have 3 bedrooms here. The master bedroom is here. My achi's room is here. I cannot let you in, so maybe in the part 2. And this is the guest room or the servant's quarter. And there is a toilet down here. It's being used, so I cannot let you in also. So we're going upstairs. So we wanted the tiles like this. It's machuca tiles. Also the chandelier above is also bought in Abu Dhabi. entertainment room. Okay, you can cut po, so you can cut. We are here at the entertainment room upstairs, or the living room, the second living room upstairs. And we have the TV here and the sofa. These sofas are like storage. So we had it customized. And then we still have my nephew's stuff here. And we have the balcony. Okay. I have a plan of putting a lap pool if I will have the money. But yes, this is the balcony, and then we are going to my room. And I think that's the only room that I can show. So, welcome to my room. This is my room, and I did made a room makeover, so I will put the link in the description box or at the info card. You can check it. It's a bit messy because I'm going back to the UAE tomorrow, and I'm just starting to pack. So yes, this is my room, and this is my toilet. You can also, this is my toilet. Everything in the room makeover is in there, so you can check it out. Okay. And that's it. And we have 2 more rooms here. So this room is my Satche's room, and here is my Dixie's room, but it's been occupied by my Achi. Don't focus on the door too much because I'm talking. So this room is my Dixie's room, but my Achi is occupying it right now, and I think she has an online thingy now, online class or whatever, so maybe I can just show a video of what's inside the room, and the very interesting bathroom. So yes, so we really wanted a 2-story house with the part where you can look down. So this is how it looks like upstairs. So that's the living room, and then the dining area and the kitchen. Yes, so that's it, guys. That is for my home tour. Definitely I will be doing a part 2, and this will be fully furnished, and maybe I'll have my lap pool, hopefully. So that's it. If you have questions on how we design this, who is our contractor, please leave them in the comment section. And yes, that's it. Don't forget to share this, like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.